I'm wondering, again, aside from reading the books, from reading Succeeding in Law School by yourself, what else should students be doing, let's say a year out, and then specifically a few months out to really get themselves ready?
Yeah, so if you're a year out of law school, I wonder if you've taken the LSAT yet. If you're a year out of law school, the LSAT is, I like to say, an unfortunately high stakes aspect of the admissions process. There are schools that are talking about going away from the LSAT. Not many have at this point. So it is unfortunately an important aspect of the process. So spend a lot of time preparing for the LSAT. Do programs like yours. There are other programs, but do programs like yours where you are working through the problems, where you're working through them on a regular basis. That doesn't change by the time you come to law school either, by the way. That the final stage of the study process on a weekly basis is reviewing what you've just gone over. And whether it's in law school or before law school, that means working through problems. Okay, I think I know this. I think I know this idea. Let me work through 10, 20, 30 different problems to see whether they can stump me. And that's what you would be doing at the preparatory phase before you take the LSAT. If it's only a few months out of law school, the only advice I would have there again is pay careful attention to everything that we are sending you. Again, I'm a dinosaur, so I read emails. The younger you are, the less attention folks tend to spend on emails. But we view email in our institution as a formal mode of communication. And as lawyers, there is nothing in our emails that is fluff. It is all there to be discussed. And too often, my answer to a student inquiry is, look at paragraph 2 of the email that I sent you that you're responding to. That's where the answer is. Because there'll be a lot of information about the enrollment process, about book buying, about orientation. For example, expect orientation is actually the beginning of law school. In fact, I would love to dispose of the word orientation entirely and say, no, those are your first days in law school. We're going to teach you content. Yes, we'll let you know where the lockers are and where the cafeteria is, but we're also going to give you important skills or begin the process of teaching you skills that are essential to your first days in law school. So make sure you're paying attention to all those law school communications so that when you arrive, you're ready. Some of your professors, a few weeks out, will make available to you your initial assignments. Great, do them. I mean, know them weeks ahead of time, prepare them. Too often we have students enter class and they get called on the first day of class and they're unprepared. I thought we were only going to go over the syllabus today. Well, why would you think that? Because we've sent you multiple communications saying, no, today's the first day. I expect you to have read 50 pages today, and here's what those 50 pages are. So make sure you're paying attention to all those communications you're receiving from your law school professors.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.